Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make stroke layer effect in Canva. This is a simple but powerful technique if you want your designs to stand out, especially for Shopify product images, banners, and promotional graphics. By the end, you'll know how to add a clean outline to your text, and how to create a crisp stroke around images with a removed background, so your designs pop and stay easy to read on both desktop and mobile. Let's start with text because this is the quickest method. Select your text box on the canvas so Canva knows what you want to edit. This works great for headlines, callouts, or price text that needs extra visibility. Up in the top toolbar, click Effects. From the list of options, choose Outline. Instantly, your text gets a stroke, making it stand out from busy or colorful backgrounds. Now fine-tune it. Adjust the thickness slider to control how bold or subtle the outline looks. Thicker strokes are great for bold headlines, sale announcements, or hero banners. Thinner ones keep a lighter touch for subtitles or supporting text. Next, pick a color that contrasts with your background so the letters stand out. If your background is dark, consider a lighter outline. If it's light, go darker. This small contrast tweak can dramatically improve readability and conversion-focused designs. That's it for text. One click to apply, then two simple tweaks to dial in your look. If you don't see the outline option, double-check that the text box is selected and that you are in the Effects panel, not color or spacing. This is a common issue for beginners, and usually the fix is just reselecting the text. Now let's add a stroke to an image, such as a cutout photo. This is especially useful for product photos, lifestyle shots, or model images placed on colored backgrounds. First, make sure the background is removed from your image before you begin, so the outline follows the shape cleanly. Select the image on your canvas. In the top toolbar, click Edit Image or Edit Photo. Scroll down to the Shadows section and choose either Glow or Outline. Both can create an outline effect, but outline is the most straightforward if you have it available in your account. Click the settings icon on that effect to open the controls. Here is how to make it look crisp. Increase the size to make the stroke thicker, depending on how much separation you need from the background. Set blur to 0 to remove any fuzziness and get a sharp, solid edge. Set transparency to 100 so the color is fully opaque and doesn't let the background show through. Finally, pick your color again. Contrast is key. Choose something that clearly separates the subject from the background, especially for product-focused designs. If the stroke still looks soft, check that blur is truly set to 0. If the color feels weak, make sure transparency is all the way up. If it's too overpowering, reduce size slightly until it complements your layout and doesn't distract from the product itself. With these simple adjustments, you can give both text and images a polished, professional outline in just a few moments. Save your design and you are ready to share, upload to your Shopify store, or use in your marketing. Thanks for watching. Before you head out, if this tutorial helped you level up your Canva designs for your Shopify store, give the video a like. It really helps support the channel. If you want more beginner-friendly Canva tips, design shortcuts, and practical Shopify strategies you can actually use, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next video. If you have questions or want to see another Canva effect or feature covered, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.